Okay, welcome to another video. So here we will see how we are going to develop this servlet page. So this is the activity one, build in a basic servlet page. So first we will create the web project name activity one. So then we will create this HTML page, and then we are going to submit this information to a servlet, and servlet is going to display this information. So that is what we need to do in this activity. So let's try this one. So first I'm going to create so I'm using Eclipse ID here. So I will go to file and new. So we are going to have a dynamic web project here, and then the project name, so I will name it as activity 1. And so here I'm using the target runtime, so that means my local server Apache Tomcat 8.5. So I will go next, and this will be the main source folder, and then so I need to generate this web.xml file. I will tick this one, and then I'm going to click finish. Okay, now this is my activity. So this is my activity 1, and here so under this web app, so I need to have index.html page. So I will right click on here, and we can go to new, and from here you can select HTML file, and name of the HTML file, so I'm going to use index.html as the file name, and then it's HTML5 so I'm going to click finish. Okay, title, so we will make this title as user registration. Okay, user registration, and so I'm going to have a form here. So action action is to where we are going to send this one. So we will use action as register, since this is a servlet. So we will use action as register, and method equal to post. Okay, now so I'm going to use the table structure here to add this one. So first name, so input type text, and name will be first name. Okay, so we can have the same for last name, username, password. Okay, and so we will use submit button to submit the values of the form. So the type will be submit here, and then not name, so we'll use value as register. Okay, so this will be first name, so this will be last name, and this will be username, and this will be password. So therefore the type should be password, and name again, this will be password. Okay, so this is my HTML page. So if I run this one now, so I will save it first. So I will use Tomcat 8.5 and finish. Okay, okay, so input should be submit. Okay, now okay, so there's an additional bubble code here. What is that? We'll run it again. Okay, after form. So after form, okay, that's not visible here. Okay, so now I'm going to create a servlet page. So this new servlet one. So I will type servlet here. So this is servlet. So I will click next, and so here I will use com.servlet, and class name is register, and go next. And so this is the web.xml file, and I'm going to go next, and here I will select the service one and click finish. Okay, this will be the service one, and first I'm going to get these values: string, first name equal, so we are going to use a request object here, request dot get parameter, and here parameter will be first name, and then I'm going to use the same for last name, username and password. So this will be last name, so this will be username, and this will be password. Okay, now we are going to display this information back to the user. So we are going to use print writer out equal response dot get writer. Okay, so then we are going to use out dot print out dot println. So I'm going to use h1 tag here. Okay, and here I'm going to add the first name. So this will be first name. So let's go to the activity, and we will see how we need to display it. First name colon, and then we are going to display the name. So first name colon name. Okay, the same we are going to use for last name, username, password. So this will be password, this will be okay a username, and this will be last name. Okay, I will format the code like this. So now that's it. So we got the inputs from the client side to the server side. Now we are going to display those back to the client. So now I'm going to run this one. Okay, so I need to restart. Okay, so I'm going to fill some values. Bernard Silva, and admin 123, then click register. Okay, so you can see that we are getting the information from the servlet page. So the register is the first servlet, so we got this information to the servlet page. So that's all about activity 1. So here you can see the activity 1. So we need to complete only these parts. Okay, so now we have completed the activity 1. So this is the activity 1. So let's move to the next one, so that is activity 2.